Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a hotspot in your Windows 11 PC. Windows 11 allows you to turn your computer into a Wi-Fi hotspot. With this, you can broadcast your Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or cellular data connection to allow other devices to connect to it. To do this, follow the steps. Firstly, open the Settings app of your PC. Then select Network and Internet from the left panel. Click or touch the toggle switch in the box that says, Mobile Hotspot. This will enable the mobile hotspot. Click the arrow icon to expand the mobile hotspot options. Select Properties to expand the network information. This will show the network name and password, which you will need to connect to the network. In the next step, you will have to configure the mobile hotspot on your PC. Open the Settings app, then Network and Internet, and select Mobile Hotspot. Here it is important to know that you can change two main properties of how the connection is shared. You can select the Share My Internet connection from drop-down box to change if the connection is shared through Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or a cellular connection. The drop-down box will only show the connections that you have available. You can also select the Share Over drop-down box to decide how you want to share the internet connection. You can share the connection over Wi-Fi or over Bluetooth. The drop-down box will only show the options that are available. Power saving will automatically turn off the mobile hotspot if it detects that no devices are connected to it for a while. This can help save power on your PC. If the power saver turns off the mobile hotspot, then it will not turn back on if you try to connect a device to it. You will have to go back into settings and turn it on manually. Click or touch the Edit button. This will bring up a dialog box that lets you edit the network name, password, and band. The network password must be at least 8 characters long. You cannot have an open network. For the network band, 2.4 GHz is slower, but can go further. 5 GHz is faster, but cannot go as far, and older devices may not be able to connect to it. At last, click on Save, once you have configured the network settings. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.